Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to add McDonald's gift card to the application. So first of all, you need to download and install the McDonald's app in your device, and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on the more option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to try to find the payments option. In the payment options, if you see the gift card option, you can just simply provide your gift card details there and you can just conclude your purchase. But as you can see that in my app there is no payment option available, so McDonald's doesn't allow the gift cards to be added directly in the application, and this option is not available in some countries including mine. So unlike debit or credit cards, McDonald's gift cards can only be used in the store or at the drive-through. So here if you tap on any of the banners over here, you will see the redeem option in the bottom. So if you tap on the redeem option, it will redirect you on this page where it will ask you to scan in the restaurant. This indicates that you need to go to the restaurant and there you can use the gift cards, but you cannot use the gift cards in the application. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.